Anxiety and depression are two of the most commonly known mental health disorders faced by people today. Around 284 million people worldwide are victims of these mental illnesses. But is there anything beyond medication and therapy that can help in managing stress? This is what the video is about. Hello guys, and welcome to Target 100 Years, a channel dedicated to providing research-based information on health, food, mind and body. Research shows a high association between consuming fruits, vegetables, dairy products, nuts, etc., and a reduced risk of depression and mental health disorders. Research has also found evidence for a link between high level of anxiety and consumption of refined sugar and saturated fats among older adults. This goes to show how nutrition and diet affects our mental health. However, there is one diet which is known to be helpful for anxiety and depression. It is called Sattvic diet. Before we go any further, let's understand what Sattvic diet is. In Ayurveda, food is considered to be prana or life. Food is considered to have three fundamental types, which are Sattva, which is purity, Rajas, which is activity, passion and the process of change, and Tamas, which represents darkness or inertia. These three fundamental food types have also been associated with three personality traits. The Rajas Guna. People with the more dominant Rajas personality types are high on energy, very action and future oriented. The Tamas Guna. According to Sahaj philosophy, it is believed that people with a stronger Tamas tendency or trait are often lethargic and focus more on their past. Lastly, the Sattvic Guna. People with higher Sattvic personality trait tend to focus more on the present, have a balanced perspective to things. The Sattvic trait is considered to be more evolved, mature and self-improvement focused as compared to the other two gunas. Research has found that individuals with the dominance of Sattva guna experience less stress as compared to the other two gunas. A Sattvic diet is a vegetarian diet that consists of freshly prepared food that is consumed within 3 to 4 hours of preparation and has no extremities to its flavor. This means that no food cooked under this diet is either too spicy, sweet, sour or salty. Now what are the food items which are included in a Sattvic diet? Number 1, fruit and legumes. Fruits like bananas, apples, peaches, cherry, papaya, mango, sweet lime, grapes, oranges, along with vegetables like lettuce and legumes like moong, chickpeas, bean sprout, etc. make up the Sattvic diet. Second is whole grains and pulses. Whole grains like rice, soybean, lentils, yellow peas, whole wheat, barley, quinoa, etc. Non-dairy products. Products like coconut, almond and cashew milk, seed-based cheeses, yogurt, etc. are part of the Sattvic diet. Nuts and seed. Any roasted nut or seed can be consumed under Sattvic. Spices. Spices commonly used in Sattvic cooking are turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, coriander, fennel, which is soft, and cardamom, which is called elaichi as well. Onion, garlic and chives are typically not used as part of this diet. But why is Sattvic diet beneficial for anxiety and depression? Well, the first point is that it provides you with healthy and nutritious meals that have an effect on the mental health. Eating plant-based food according to Ayurveda is beneficial for the body as it helps in getting rid of toxins. Processed foods, on the other hand, can have an adverse impact on physical and mental health. Studies have shown that consuming processed food high in trans fat and carbohydrates like burgers, pizza, snacks, sugary drinks, etc. trigger mental health problems like depression. The reasons behind this is eating junk food increases our risk of binge eating, which in turn causes obesity and other physical ailments, making us further depressed and sad. Some studies even relate excessive consumption of some junk food to distress and physically violent and aggressive behavior. Research also shows that stress negatively affects blood pressure and mood, and also stressed emotional eaters consuming a lot more energy dense meal and sugary foods as compared to non-stressed eaters. On the other hand, consuming fruits like berries, citruses and green leafy vegetables shows a decrease in the stress and depression levels. and also increases level of optimism and self-efficacy. Gut-brain mental health connection. Another interesting fact pointed out by experts is that there is a strong connection between gastrointestinal, brain and mental health. For example, the very thought of eating can produce secretions of juices in the stomach and vice versa, in the sense that an upset stomach can send signals to the brain which causes anxiety or stress. It is also seen that stress affects movements and contractions of gastrointestinal tract. With our busy work schedule, we are more likely to be stressed and get easily inclined to having packaged and processed food, which has more sugar or salt to satisfy our cravings. This is where the cycle of unhealthy food and mental illness starts. It is for this very reason eating a healthy diet can cut the cycle off and reduce stress levels. Research shows that consuming home-cooked meals, whole grain, low-processed food will help you maintain a healthy diet, maintain a better BMI level and help in weight loss. A Sattvic diet provides you with all plant-based natural ingredients that can be easily prepared at home. There are many websites like Home Foodie, Home Organic Kitchen or Burgundy Box, wherein you can either order the food yourself or you can order a DIY kit where the ingredients are delivered to your doorstep. A healthy body makes a happier mind. According to Ayurveda, the body and mind are inseparable. Consuming a Sattvic diet is beneficial as it is pure, easily digestible, and thus promotes mental health and well-being. The food items consumed in this diet are rich in antioxidants that cleanse the body of toxins and promote positive thoughts, happiness, and satisfaction. A Sattvic diet states that there should be a balance in lifestyle and nutrition, as this helps you to maintain a routine, improve longevity, and manage stress. This in turn reduces the extreme emotions, conflicts, and gives you a positive outlook towards things and people around you, causing you to be less stressed out. We hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to your comments. Do subscribe to the channel for more research-based health videos. Thank you and take care.